You guys gotta see this. Not gonna believe it though, but check this out. There's the tree. That's all cut down right there, people. That's all cut down. What's that noise? That's all cut down. Just look at that. Yep. There's the tree. That's cut down. I was gonna film it. Film the process, but I didn't want to interfere. But look at that. All that cut down. Look at all that shit. Thanks to our next door neighbor down there. Nice guy. Yo, all that wood, it's cut down. And there's all the that excess stuff in those trash bags. And look at his leaves down here too. It's nice out too. Those leaves got picked up. Look at all that shit. Wow, it's nice. Even for a fall day, this is nice. Reminds me of fall 2016. It's pretty good. Up there, guys. There, you guys have it.